All right, so to become less insecure, consider these strategies. Number one, acknowledge your strengths. Make a list of positive qualities and achievements. Focus on these to build your self-esteem. Number two, challenge negative thoughts. When self-doubt arises, question those thoughts. Replace them with more positive and realistic perspectives. All right, like a file in the computer. You throw a file in the trash when you don't want it. Do that with your brain. Number three, set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals for yourself. Meeting these can boost your confidence and sense of accomplishment. Number four, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, and especially during difficult times, remember that everyone has flaws. Everyone has flaws, except for Jesus. Number five, limit social media use, okay? Social media can amplify insecurities. Take, breaks and, reduce your time online to avoid negative comparisons, okay? Number six, surround yourself with positive people, positive support. Spend time with friends and family who uplift you. Positive relationships can help build your confidence, okay? Number seven, develop new skills, all right? Learning something new can enhance your sense of confidence and competence and make you feel worth it. Number eight, seek professional help if you really need it. And this will significantly impact your life. If you read the Bible especially, that's real professional help, by the way. Every lesson that you'll ever want to learn is in that book. And you'll get salvation, which is your only way to heaven. It's not for nothing that book is the most sold book of all time. It's a lot of books into one book. If you had to pick one of them, start with the book of John.